Hello, welcome to another episode of LCLXchange how-to videos. In this video, we will show you how to offer your rates on any rate request. Log into www.lclxchange.com with your username and password. You can view all rate request here or click on the Rate Request tab, in the menu. All the rate requests would be listed here. Click on the View Details button of the inquiry that you are interested in. The reference number is unique to each rate request. It can be used for further communication with shipper. You can check the Incoterms, dimensions, gross weight, and quantity here. You will notice that the Make Offer button is disabled. It is because you have created an account but not yet completed your business profile. Click on Take Me There. We have a list of existing businesses that are already listed in the directory. You can search your business name and select it, or you can add your business details. Let me add a sample company to show you how it's done. Fill in the company name, address, phone number, your website URL, and other details. You can include all the services provided by your company or more information on your CEO. Please remember that these details will be shared with shipper, so make sure to add correct information. Let's get back to the rate request page. You can now place an offer. Add detailed cost breakdown from here. According to the type of shipment, choose different cost labels from the drop-down. You can create custom labels as well. Let us create a custom label for temperature charges. Add the charges. You will see the details listed on the page here. Choose the currency as per your convenience. Add all the terms and conditions regarding payment, delivery, or any other things so that the shipper is acquainted with your terms and conditions. Select the checkbox and submit. Your offer has been submitted and we have notified the shipper about it. If you want to check the offer, go to Pending Offers. Here you will see your offer details. The contact details of shipper will be displayed once the shipper chooses you. If, by chance, you realize that you have made an error while making the offer, you can delete your offer from here and place the offer again. Please note that you cannot delete the offer once the shipper has chosen you. We created this process as easy as possible so you keep doing what you do best, growing your business. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to get update about our upcoming videos. If you have any questions, comment or suggestions, feel free to drop a line below. Thank you.